Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a first look at Zinnia. This is a really awesome journaling app, and you can also use it for planning. So join me as we take a first look at Zinnia and all the cool features that it has, and I'll show you what my favorite features are. Let's get started. So Zinnia is an app that you can find in the App Store right now using your iPad, and it is a subscription application. So you can do a monthly plan or a yearly plan depending on what you like. So as we're looking at the quick start guide here, I'm just going to put up the subscription amounts on the side so that you can see if you would like to purchase it or not. It's totally up to you, but I feel that there are a lot of features, and perhaps maybe you'll think after this video that, hey, maybe Zinnia is actually worth it. So as I said before, Zinnia is mostly a journaling app, and as you can see, when you create a new journal, it has a template that you can use, or you can use the so many different templates that are already included. So if you click right here, you'll see that there are a ton of templates, stickers, collections, journaling cards, and by clicking here, you can access all your photos and albums straight from the app. So since this is my first time also using it, there is a learning curve, a bit of a learning curve for me. So those of you who've never used these types of apps, it might be a larger learning curve for you. But if you've already used things like GoodNotes, Note Shelf, things like that, I think you'll be able to use Zinnia as well. And it's even easier because it comes with so much different stuff that you can use. So here, I'm just trying to see if I can add text the way that I do in GoodNotes. It's a little bit different. I can't really use the scribbling tool, but you can type. Okay, so one of the things I really love about this is that you can link different things in your journal or your planners. So it's really easy. You can just, let's say I'm going to just type in this word hello, and then I can click on it and click link and click to the page I want it to link to. So that way, every time I click on it, it brings me to that page. Super cool, right? So you can also link it to a brand new page. So let's say I want to link this whole entire calendar, and I click on new page. It's super cool. Look at all the page styles. You have 2 pages, you have grid pages. It's just awesome. I love it so far. All right, so I was trying to also link separate dates, but that seemed to be hard. I'm sure people who actually have used Zinnia for longer can tell me how to do it. But I seem to only be able to link if I add a text into the box, then I can link the text, but I can't actually link the days in the calendars that were already included in the app. So yeah, I think other people can tell me how to do this. So I just am able to link text. As you can see, when I highlight the text and click link, I can link a different page. Alrighty, so let's move on to something else. We're gonna take a look at some of the stickers that are included. This is the most exciting part. Oh my gosh, I love digital stickers. Alright, so they have different themes. They have food and drinks, events. So this really can fit all your styles, all your needs. And I love that you can just drag and drop them into the planner. Just like I usually do in GoodNotes, you can do the same exact thing in the same app. So that's really, really cool and important to me. So all you have to do is just click on it, as you can see, and it appears right into your planner. And I'm just going to try to mix and match different types of stickers, search for different things, and see how it comes out. Okay, so now I'm searching for paper, and I found this really cool one. So I'm just gonna resize it and see how we can place it over and sort of under this clip that I placed first. What's also really cool about this app is that you can just click on the image and move it either forward or backwards onto the paper. So it sort of works like layers, which I really like because I'm so used to using Photoshop, Keynote, and other sorts and other sorts of apps that use layers. If you're used to using GoodNotes, you can also use this lasso tool to select images and you can resize them. You can also group them, which is super cool, which I didn't even know you can do. What? Like, this is super awesome. Another super cool feature is tilting the paper to write. Now, I usually tilt my entire iPad to write, but you can actually do this in the app. What? Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I am super impressed just by this alone. So as you know, in most of my videos, I sometimes tilt the iPad. But yeah, if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can tilt the paper whichever side is best for you so that you can write more comfortably and more neatly. The only thing is I'm not really used to the pen settings yet, so it takes a little bit more for me to get comfortable with, but they do have different colors. You have a pen tool, you have a pencil tool, and you can save them at the bottom. So if there's a certain size or setting that you like, you can set it at the bottom. So you have like 3 choices that you can place at the bottom that you can just quickly select and use. Alrighty, so let's move on. I know I'm jumping around in this video, but this is how I am when I'm first using a brand new app. Like, I'm just all over the place. So you guys are literally seeing the first look. So back to the page style. You can change the colors of your pages. You can make it single page, as I was saying before, or double paged, landscape or portrait right in the app. And I love this feature that you can change the colors, like literally any color. All right, so let's take a look at some more things that Zinnia has to offer. Let's look at the paper packs and planner icons. There are just so many options and I am loving it. They have payday stickers, they have X stickers, danger, like everything. Whoa, like I cannot. And you see the stickers at the top where I put November? I put those together to try to make like a monthly pink theme type of thing. It came out alright. Okay, so as I was searching for more stuff, I found these like notebook covers and notebook pages. And I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, we can actually use actual notebook pages in Zinnia. Whoa. And as you can see, like I was trying to see if I can put a little tab here and there with some color block. There's just so many options and so many things that you can do. It really opens up your creativity. The only thing, well, like I said, maybe people who actually used Zinnia before can help me. I don't know how to do the selection tool to crop. So you can only crop using like the rectangular tool, which I'm so a fan of GoodNotes, that you can also crop it by just drawing around the image. So I would have definitely loved to draw around each of those rings so that it really looks like a notebook. So I kept searching for more paper until I found this one. So it has a nice shadow in the middle and you can just line it up and use these dotted lines. So I thought that was really, really awesome. And I really like this page setup so far. But let's go back. So I want to show you when you do a new journal, it shows you can do full journals, you can import, you can even choose your own cover. So for example, if you already have a journal or you already have something, you can import it, or you can choose from what they already have pre-packed into the app. So for example, they have student planners. They have this, for example, has a bunch of stuff already pre-packed in the planner, and it has a nice little cover on it. So you have different options. If you don't want to do all the creative things from scratch, you can just use these. So this is really, yes, exactly. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the student planner just to see how it looks and the things that we can change. So, you know, like any of the things that are included, you can customize them to your liking. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can change the placement of the pages. Everything is customizable. So I went ahead and tried to look for that dotted paper just to put it behind this template to see what it would look like. And there you have it. So it's not just blank paper, it's dotted paper. And of course you can add whatever type of paper you like that's included. There's also this black paper right here which is included, and you can put that also in your background. This is perfect for those of you who like that dark mode effect or just like to write on black paper. My absolute favorite feature is to be able to import planners that I already have on my computer, on my iPad, and planners that I've made myself. So you can just import them by going here and look for your planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and import one of my newest planners. Now this is just the prototype. This isn't the final version. However, it is now available in my Etsy shop. I will definitely leave the link down below, so please check it out. So differently from GoodNotes, if you just click on the link, it will bring you right to that link. However, in Zinnia, when you click on the link, you have to then click on Go to Link. So that could be a bit of a drawback for those of you who are just so used to just clicking and going to the next place. So far, so good. I really like using my imported planner in Zinnia. I'm glad I had a chance to play with the stickers and the different pen settings. One of the high points for me of using Zinnia is the fact that there's so many stickers for different things that you may want to use them for, whether it's your schedule or journaling. You're going to find every single sticker that you'll ever need right in the app. And if you already have stickers, you can use them in Zinnia as well. Another wonderful feature is being able to type using your keyboard. So you can, of course, yes, you can access every single font that they have in Zinnia, and of course you can install your own. So let's talk a little bit about the price points for Zinnia. So there is a free trial that you can try for 7 days. I definitely suggest and would recommend to do so if you're still unsure. So there is a Zinnia Premium Weekly Plan, which is $3.99. There's a monthly plan, which is $9.99. And as I speak to you right now, there is a secret discount for $29.99 yearly, or the premium, which is $39.99 yearly. So now you can make a decision on whether you think it's worth it. I definitely would suggest that you try out the free trial of Zinnia for yourself, try it out for 7 days straight, and then make your decision on whether you think this is for you. I personally would love if they would include a price that is a lifetime subscription for Zinnia, whatever the price may be. I love lifetime subscriptions because I don't have to worry about paying every month, you know, all that hassle. If you really like Zinnia and they would offer that, I think that would be awesome. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!